Hey, good afternoon, everybody. My name's Ed Long. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Norgren. We're here today at PAC Expo 2023. With me today is Chuck Stamas. Chuck is the Vice President of Mosier Fluid Power. Mosier has been a long-standing distributor of Norgren hardware, and we're really happy to have you today, Chuck. Can you tell us about your company?
Yeah, so we've been associated with Norgren for about 68, 69 years.
Is that all?
Yeah, so it's one of the oldest product lines we represent.
Yeah.
And it's been a great partnership for a long time.
Excellent, excellent. What Norgren has a broad and vast product portfolio. What does your customer base look like? What types of products do they wind up using?
Yeah, that's a good point. Norgren, IMI, that product portfolio from Bushos and Maxseal and Norgren and now Bimba, it's probably one of the widest array of pneumatic components of any supplier out there.
It is. And I know a number of your customers tend to use the NFPA high rod cylinders.
Yep.
And how have they been functioning for you in application? Do they tend to hold up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the Norgren actuator product line out of, historically was out of Brookville, Ohio, now is manufactured in the TRD plant.
Yep.
It's always been one of the higher quality NFPA cylinders on the market,
yes.
Fully customizable, and the quality is second to none.
Excellent. And in the future, what do you see for your industry? What do you see as far as trends? As far as are people more tending to stick with fluid power, or are they trending towards electric? What do you see for your base?
Yeah, I don't think it's ever going to. Pneumatic and hydraulic cylinders are never going to go away.
Yeah.
But I think with the controllability of the electric actuators, that's kind of where things are going.
Sure.
As you can see from your own booth and other booths that are around, there's a lot of electric actuator products in the market, and that seems to be a trend.
Absolutely.
So,
great.
Yep.
Well, Chuck, thanks for taking the time. Thanks for stopping by.
Appreciate the
Really
effort.
appreciate it.
All right.